Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make your own homemade cookie. So this is a very a very good dessert for you, I guess. It's sweet, it's chewy, it's crispy, and yeah, it's all the good thing. And now I will show you how to make it. First, put 1 cup of softened butter into a large mixing bowl. Then add in your half a cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of light brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and just like mix it in medium speed for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so the butter is ready. Now let's put in our 2 eggs. Put 1 at a time so that each egg will be well incorporated. Okay, so now all the eggs are well incorporated. Now let's add in our dry ingredients. You need 3 cups of flour with 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Just mix it all in. So now let's just use our spatula to like scrape it down a little bit so everything is well incorporated. Okay, so now let's put a handful of these almonds and then fold it in. Again, you can use chocolate. I'm not using chocolate because sometimes it can be a little too sweet, so I'm just using some almonds. Okay, so now I'm going to use a spoon to like spoon it onto the baking sheet. You can also just use your hand, but it's just too like hard to do it with your hand, so I'm just using a spoon. Okay, so I have scooped all of it now, and just for a finishing touch, I'm just gonna put in some more almonds on top of the cookie. Okay, so now let's bake it in the oven. Like you have to preheat the oven before like you do all of this. So, oh, my oven's ready. So that you have like more time, so you won't like panic. Yes. So just preheat your oven at 190 degrees Celsius, and then cook it for like 15 minutes. Let's go. Okay, so I have taken them out of the oven and they have been resting for like 10 minutes on the counter. By the way, you have to rest them on the counter because when you just like take it out of the oven straight away, it will be like soft, so you won't be able to eat it. This is really good. Not overly sweet, which I really like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!